Next up, we're going to Ratatouille. As you can see, and we're here midday. The regular line is 65, single rider is 25, and Premier Access is right here. We'll see what that's about.
Venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. My chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, viens Remy. Les invités pour le dîner.
Here. Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coco vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Mio! Everything must be perfect. Et tout est en salle. Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Natural water right there. Feel the heat in the oven. Not gonna get surprised.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go!
Whether or not it's a street.
Trois entrepôts pour la douce. Une à point, une bleue et une saignante.
Oui, petit chef.
Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte.
Maintenant. Oui, mon chéri.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bonne bingo. Au revoir.
There, you actually get a peek into, or you're about to, Chez Remy.
Be sure to grab all your stuff. Watch your step as you exit.
This right here is probably one of the most popular restaurant reservations you're going to see. This is Chez Remy, and you can actually see it from the right. And it looks really nice. Obviously not going to bother anyone in there. It is lunchtime now, but this is probably, again, one of the most popular places to get a dining reservation. It looks super cool. All right. So, now, really nice exit area too, I'll tell you. And here's the restaurant. I don't know, actually, I don't think you can see it very well from here, but it looks very good. And here we are outside of Ratatouille, Chez Remy, as well as this entire pavilion. I hope you've enjoyed this. All right, before we leave this area, I promised you we would hit the final kiosks, which, by the way, we had crepes a little bit earlier. They were amazingly good. This is Bistro Delite, and it looks like some wines, some beef, and you'll find it looks like a. Thank you so much. And finally, Belgian style area. Oh, this looks amazing. They have pommes frites and waffles. Oh, you know we're gonna have to check this out.
For the 3 fresh fries, we want that one. Yeah, okay.
This, by the way, perhaps one of the most